Hello friends, welcome to Jabba Webcam channel. I am Dr. Jabaraj. In this video, I have given a complete tutorial of how to create the feedback form and survey forms using Google Forms. Kindly watch the complete video. Let's enter into the video. Kindly subscribe the channel.
Open Google Drive, click this, click the drive. Here click the new, more option, and here is the Google Forms. Click this, the Google form will open. So here it is a blank form. You can give the title of the form like webinar feedback form. Form description you can give the details about the form or any instruction if you want to give, you can give. Kindly fill the form. Like this, any instruction you can give this. And the file name here you can change. For example, survey form. And now you can come to the question section. Normally in the feedback form or the survey form, the first thing will be the name. So how to give the name? So in the question, type name, but the name is coming under the short answer. It is not multiple choice. There are different types of questions are here. You can see here, short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down options, the file upload, linear scale, multiple grade, even if you want the date and the time also. So for the name you can choose short answer type question, short answer, and make this as compulsory question by clicking this. Now go to the second question, address. So the address, I need at least some 2 or 3 lines. So it must be a paragraph type question. So you have to choose the paragraph type question. If you want, make it a compulsory question. That's it. Then go to the next question. So here you can click email ID. Email ID is also under the short answer type question. You have to choose the short answer type. Maybe required question. Required means it is a compulsory question. Next question, maybe you want to ask the mobile number. You can type mobile number. Mobile number will come under the short answer, but here it must be a number. So this option is coming. If you want, you can make it as compulsorily. So like this, you can keep on adding the personal information details. Now the feedback questions you can ask in the another section if you want. You can add the section by clicking this button. Now the section 2 of 2 is added. For this section 2 of 2 also, if you want, you can give any title and the description also you can give. For example, survey. Now you want to add the questions by clicking this plus symbol. The first question I want to make it as a multiple choice. So here you can type the type of the question. What is the question? For example, the webinar was arranged. Option 1, you can give the options very good. Option 2, option 3, and option 4. Excellent, very good, good, or satisfactory. Like that you can change the options by clicking like this. Then go to the next question by clicking this. Next question, I want to make it as a checkbox type. Why I want to make the question as a checkbox type means the respondents can be able to answer or choose more than one option. In such case, checkbox is mandatory, because in the radio button type, the respondents can choose only one option. They cannot choose the two options at a time. But here in the case of checkbox type questions, the respondents can choose 2 or 3 or any number of options. Even all the 4 options if you have given, they can choose even the 4 options also. That is the advantage of the checkbox type questions. So checkboxes click. So this is checkbox, again giving the options like this. So now if you want, you can choose second option, option 2, option 3, option 4, any options I can choose it. And if you want to delete any questions, you can use this icon, and if you want to duplicate the question, click this icon. The question will be duplicated. In case if you want to add any videos, you can add by clicking this button, and if you want to add any image, you can add by clicking this image button. Next, the next question I want to choose as a drop down question. Here is a one question type, which is a drop down. So drop down, again you can add the options like earlier, 4 options, and here you can type the question, the arrangement. The arrangement was very excellent, good, very good, satisfactory. Like that you can give the options. Then the next question you want to add, for example, the linear scale type question for 1 to 5, or you can change to 1 to 4. So 1 is very poor and 4 is excellent. That means the respondents can choose. If they choose 4, that means it is a very excellent session, and if the respondent choose the point number 1, then the program was very poor. So this is the feedback. So like this you can keep on adding the questions. So after finishing this, of course, one more thing, if you want to add the date, you can give the date option also. Here the date of webinar or date of registration you can give. So here is the respondents can click this and they can enter the date. So now after finishing these questions, go to the customize theme. If you want to change the colors, you can change it. For example, I want to change to green color. The form is changed. And in case if you want to add any header image, choose this. There are many built-in images, or even you can add from your gallery also. I choose this image, you click insert, and now the image is displayed or chosen in the top of the form. And this option is to make the form very attractive. So now I want to preview the form. You can click the preview button. So your form looks like this to the respondents. So now the respondents will fill the form. For example, name, Jabbar, address, Tilak Street. For example, I am giving, this is not my address. Email ID, issayor@gmail.com. Some email address I have given. Mobile number 77884. Some number I have given. You have to give your mobile number. Now click the next button. It will go to the next section. The survey page is open. Click the option 2. For example, here it is a checkbox type. So I can select more than one option. This I want to choose. The arrangement, the third question is a drop down question, click this button. So I want to choose option 3. And the next question is the linear scale type question. You can see I have given 1 to 4. So 1 is very poor and the 4th side is excellent, 2 and 3 in between. So I have given 3. And the date of registration, you can give the date by clicking this. For example, 19th August 2020. Then click submit. So your response has been recorded. Submit another response. Okay. So now like this you have to finish the survey form or feedback form. Also there is one more thing, you can change the settings also. So collect email address you can click, then record sign in, limit to 1 response. If this is checked, that means the respondents cannot submit the form more than 1 time. Normally these 2 things are not necessary for the survey and then the feedback, because the edit after submission, once you click this button, the respondent can even edit their form after they submit the form also, which is not advisable. Then after this click save. So now everything is fine, and I want to go to the second time response.
Sorry, go to the preview. Email address. Gmail.com, and the name is Ram, for example. Address, First Street. Email ID. Ram 2, the same email ID I gave. Mobile number, some number. Next. Option 1. These 2, and this you answer. Option 1. And excellent. Date of registration.
Click submit. Now 2 people have responded the form. We can check this. Go to the responses. We have submitted 2 times, so 2 responses are here. Who has responded? We can check individually by clicking this individual. So this is the details about the first respondents, and when you go to the second respondents, this is the details of second respondents. So now you can create the Google spreadsheet, or before that, if you want to send this link or send this feedback form to any of your respondents by clicking the button send. So you can send the form by 3 means, either by email or by having the link or the embed HTML. You can embed the link in your home page or any web pages. You can change the width and height of this HTML file, and you can change the height and the width. Also you can share in the Facebook and Twitter also. For example, if I want to send the email to a particular person, write the email ID of that person here, or if you want to send to n number of people, you can click this add collaborators so that you can send to many people, and click the send button. And coming to the link, copy this link, click here. Then now this link you can share via Facebook or WhatsApp or any social media, Telegram, anything. Even you can print the form by clicking this print option. You can see the summary of the responses by clicking this summary. Summary is nothing but the statistics about the feedback form or the survey form. How many people have responded, and each question, what about the status. So like this, all the details are here question wise. So now you want to create the spreadsheet of this form. How how to create this spreadsheet of this form by clicking here. So you can give the spreadsheet name. I have given a survey form. If you want, you can change the name. Click create. So this spreadsheet is created, and even you can download this spreadsheet by clicking the file button and click download. You can save it as Microsoft Excel file or open document or PDF document or even as a web page. So according to your requirement, you can save it. So the spreadsheet gives the entire details about the data captured in the full form. It gives you all the email addresses. If there are n number of respondents, it gives the n number of email address, the name, the address, the mobile number, all the details. So I believe this survey form and the feedback form will be very much useful to you. Those who are conducting the webinars or conducting any exit surveys or customer satisfaction surveys, you can try to use this method, and if you have any doubt, please put in the comment box. I will answer all your comments.
Thank you for watching the video. Kindly support the channel by subscribing and clicking the bell icon near to it. Also share the video with your friends. See you all.